Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's Sunday. I forget what the date is. It's I think it's the 18th or something like that. 18th, about the 20th. I think it's the 20th of September. Just want to show you these dahlia cuttings. These have just been left to do their own thing. They've just been sat in the corner. I've not watered them regularly. I've just left them. So I want them to build up a nice root ball, so they come back healthy and strong next year. So I'm just going to open one and just show you what it looks like. This is going to be a surprise to me as it will be to you. So let's have a look, shall we? Well, that looks nice. Pleased with that. Down like so. As you can see, I've been letting it dry out, because if you let it dry out in between, hopefully it's going to build up a bit of a root ball, a bit of a tuber, I'm hoping. So let's just get right in the middle. See if there's a tuber here. Just starting to form there. Just starting to feel it fatten up there. So what I'll keep doing is watering and feeding. As you can see there, yeah, just trying to get a tuber. That's what I'm looking for. I was panicking then, thinking it wasn't producing, but it is. And if you can just see that there, that's the tuber there. So by letting it go with that water in between waterings, it tends to panic a bit and tends to bulk up the tubers, so you're better off for the next year. But what I'll do with these now, I'm going to deadhead them, probably cut them down to about there, and then they should fatten up even more then. So I'll cut it there. Looks a bit like sacrilegious, but I want them to be nice for next year. So yeah, they just started producing some tubers. I've got another two there, and they all rooted really well. Like I said, I've not done anything with these. These are for next year. These, if I put them in the garden, they'd have been massive. Because I've just had them in these little pots, they stayed small. But yeah, I'm quite confident both of them are going to have a tuber in them as well. So next year I shall start them up in January probably under my LED grow lights. I shall take, I want to get about 30 or 40 cuttings off them next year. Now I know they root so quickly, and then hopefully I can sell a few and spend the money on the rest of my garden. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my daily tubers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.